Hello, Tom. How are you today? You look very relaxed and happy. Did something good happen?
Hi, Mary. I'm doing great, thank you. I feel happy because I was thinking about vacation. Just thinking about it makes me smile.
That's nice to hear. Vacations always bring good feelings. They make life more colorful.
I agree completely. Even talking about vacation feels like a mini break. It's like resting with words.
So today, let's talk about vacation in English. Many people want to talk about it but feel shy. We'll make it easy and fun.
Yes, very easy and very friendly. No pressure and no stress. Just simple English and happy stories.
Before we start, let me ask you something. When was your last vacation? Do you remember it clearly?
Of course I do. I remember it like it was yesterday. It was short, but very meaningful.
That sounds interesting already. Many people think vacation must be long, but short vacations can be great too.
Exactly. Even 1 or 2 days can refresh the mind. Sometimes short trips are the best.
When people talk about vacation in English, they often don't know where to start. So let's start simple.
Yes, very simple. We can start with one easy question. Where did you go for vacation?
That question is very common. You can use it anywhere, at work, at school, or with friends.
And the answer doesn't need to be long. Just say the place first. Details can come later.
For example, you can say, I went to the beach. That's already a full answer.
Yes, very clear. No big grammar needed. Simple and confident.
Confidence is important when speaking English. Even if your sentence is short, say it with a smile.
Smiling helps a lot. People feel your positive energy. They listen more kindly.
Now, Tom, where did you go on your last vacation? Tell us slowly, no rush.
I went to a small mountain town. It was quiet and peaceful. I really needed that silence.
That sounds lovely. Mountains are very relaxing. I can imagine fresh air and green views.
Yes, exactly like that. The air was fresh and cool. I felt calm right away.
When talking about vacation, feelings are very important, not just the place.
I agree. You can say how you felt. Happy, relaxed, excited, or tired.
For example, you can say, I felt very relaxed during my vacation. That sentence is very useful.
Yes, and very natural. Native speakers say that often. It sounds friendly, too.
Some people worry about vocabulary. They think they need many words, but they really don't.
That's true. A few basic words are enough. Beach, mountain, hotel, food.
Food is a big part of vacation. People love talking about food. It's always a fun topic.
Oh, yes, food stories are the best. Sometimes I remember food more than places. That might be a problem, or maybe not.
That's funny. Food memories are strong memories. They stay with us.
Exactly. I still remember a small restaurant I visited. The food was simple but amazing.
When you talk about food on vacation, you can say, I tried local food.
Very good sentence. Short and clear. Everyone understands it.
You can also add one feeling word, like, it was delicious. That's all you need.
Yes, perfect. No long explanation needed. Just honest feelings.
Now let's talk about who you travel with. People often ask this question. Who did you go with?
That's another easy one. You can say, I went with my family, or I went with friends.
Or even, I went alone. That's also very normal.
Yes, traveling alone is popular now. It helps people learn about themselves, and it builds confidence.
Confidence again. Vacation and confidence are connected. Travel helps people grow.
That's very true. New places push us out of our comfort zones, and that's a good thing.
Some people feel nervous speaking English on vacation, especially in foreign countries. That's very common.
Yes, but mistakes are okay. Most people are friendly. They appreciate your effort.
So, when you talk about vacation in English, don't aim for perfection. Aim for connection.
Connection is more important than grammar. People remember how you made them feel, not your mistakes.
Let's practice another simple question. What did you do on your vacation? This one is very useful.
Yes, and you can answer it simply. I relaxed. I traveled. I ate a lot.
I ate a lot is very honest. Many people can relate to that. Vacations are for enjoying food.
Absolutely. Calories don't count on vacation. At least that's what I tell myself.
That's a good rule. Now, let's slow down a little. This is important for learners.
Yes, slow speaking helps understanding. Take your time with each sentence. There's no race.
When practicing vacation talk, speak slowly and clearly. Let the words breathe.
I like that phrase. Let the words breathe. That sounds poetic.
Thank you. English learning can be poetic too, not always serious.
That's why we add a little humor. Learning should be enjoyable, not stressful.
Before we end part 1, let's give listeners some encouragement. They deserve it.
Yes, you're doing great. If you can say one sentence, you're already improving.
Talking about vacation is a great start. It's a happy topic. People enjoy listening.
So don't be afraid. Use simple English and enjoy the conversation.
In the next part, we will talk more about vacation experiences, stories, funny moments, and surprises.
Yes, part 2 will be even more fun. More laughter and more examples.
I hope you're still smiling. We're ready for part 2 now.
Yes, let's continue our vacation talk. More stories are coming.
In part 1, we talked about places and feelings. Now let's talk about experiences. This part is very fun.
I agree. Experiences make vacations memorable. They create good stories.
A common question people ask is, what did you do there? This question is very useful.
Yes, very useful. You can answer it in many ways, simple or detailed.
For example, you can say, I went sightseeing. That's a great start.
Or you can say, I walked around the city. Very natural English.
Some people think sightseeing sounds hard, but it's actually very common. Native speakers use it often.
Yes, don't be scared of it. You can say it slowly. Sightseeing.
Now, Tom, tell us more about your vacation. What did you do there? Take your time.
I woke up early every morning. I went for long walks. I enjoyed the fresh air.
That sounds peaceful. Walking is a great vacation activity. It helps you notice small details.
Yes, I noticed birds and trees. I even talked to myself sometimes. Luckily, no one heard me.
Talking to yourself is okay, especially on vacation. It means you're relaxed.
Exactly. Vacation Tom talks a lot. Work Tom is much quieter.
That's very relatable. Vacation changes people in a good way.
Yes, it brings out our happy side. We smile more. We worry less.
Another common vacation activity is taking photos. People love photos, especially on social media.
Oh yes, I took many photos. Too many, actually.
That's very normal. Sometimes people take photos of food before eating.
Yes, guilty. My food got cold, but my photos looked great.
When talking about photos in English, you can say, I took a lot of pictures.
Very easy sentence. Everyone understands it. No problem at all.
You can also say why. For example, the view was beautiful.
That adds emotion. Emotion makes your story interesting. People like that.
Now let's talk about funny moments. Every vacation has one, sometimes more than one.
Yes, funny moments are the best part. They become long-term memories. Even mistakes become funny later.
Did you have any funny moments, Tom? Don't be shy. We're all friends here.
Yes, I did. I got lost on my first day. Very lost.
Oh no, that sounds stressful, but also funny now.
Yes, funny now, not funny at that time. My phone battery was low.
That's a classic vacation problem. Low battery, new place, perfect combination.
Exactly. I walked in circles. I think I saw the same shop 5 times.
That's a good story. When sharing funny moments, you can keep it simple.
Yes, no need for details. Just explain the main idea. People will understand.
For example, I got lost, but it was funny. That's enough.
Very natural, very human. Everyone can relate.
Another thing people talk about is weather. Weather is a safe topic, very common in English.
Yes, especially on vacation. Weather affects our plans and our mood.
You can say the weather was great or the weather was hot.
Simple and clear. No complex grammar. Perfect for beginners.
Sometimes weather surprises us, like sudden rain. That can be a story too.
Yes, I experienced that. I forgot my umbrella, of course.
Of course, that always happens. Vacation rule number 1.
Yes, forget the umbrella, buy a new one, lose it again.
Very true. Now let's talk about people. People you meet on vacation.
Meeting new people is exciting. Sometimes just short conversations, but still meaningful.
You can say, I met some friendly people. That sounds nice.
Yes, very positive. It shows good experience and good memories.
You can also talk about locals, like shop owners or guides. They make trips special.
I agree. Local people know the best places, not always in guidebooks.
Now, let's slow down again. This is important for learners. Listen to your own pace.
Yes, no rush. Speaking slowly builds confidence and clarity.
When you practice vacation talk, pause between sentences. Let your listener catch up.
That's very helpful advice, especially for non-native speakers. Pauses are your friend.
Before we finish part 2, let's encourage our listeners again. They're doing well.
Yes, you're doing great. Even listening is learning, step by step.
Talking about vacation should feel light, like a gentle breeze, not like an exam.
Exactly. Enjoy the conversation. Enjoy the memories.
In part 3, we will talk about past and future vacations, plans, dreams, and hopes.
Yes, future vacations are exciting. Dreaming is free and fun.
So don't go anywhere. Stay relaxed. Part 3 is coming.
We'll see you in the next part. More stories ahead. Stay with us.
We are now in part 3, the final part of our vacation talk.
Yes, thank you for staying with us. We've talked about places and experiences. Now let's talk about time.
Time is important in vacation stories. Past vacations and future plans. Both are fun to talk about.
I agree. Memories make us smile. Dreams give us hope.
Let's start with past vacations. People often ask, how was your vacation?
That's a very common question and very easy to answer. You can keep it simple.
For example, you can say, it was great, or it was relaxing.
Yes, short answers are fine. You don't need long stories unless you want to share.
Some people worry about past tense. They feel nervous about grammar, but don't worry too much.
Exactly. Focus on meaning first. Grammar will improve with practice.
You can use simple verbs. Went, stayed, ate, saw. These are very useful.
Yeah, very practical words. You'll use them again and again. Perfect for vacation talk.
Tom, how was your last vacation? Try answering simply, like a learner would.
It was very relaxing. I stayed in a quiet place. I felt calm and happy.
That was perfect. Clear and natural. No extra stress.
Thank you. Simple English works well. That's the key.
When talking about past vacations, feelings are very important. They bring stories to life.
Yes, feelings connect people. You can say how you felt: excited, tired, peaceful.
For example, I felt very excited, or I felt tired but happy.
Those sentences sound real and very human. People like that honesty.
Even negative feelings are okay. Not every vacation is perfect. That's normal.
True. You can say, it was fun, but a bit tiring.
That sounds very realistic. Life is not perfect. Vacations too.
Exactly. Sometimes the imperfect parts make the best stories.
After time passes, even problems feel funny. That's interesting.
Yes, very interesting. At the moment, it's stressful. Later, it's funny.
So when talking about past vacations, a little humor helps. It makes stories enjoyable.
I agree. Laughter brings people closer, even in English.
Now let's talk about future vacations. This is a very exciting topic. People love dreaming.
Yes, dreaming is free, and talking about it is fun, especially with friends.
A common question is, do you have any vacation plans? Very useful question.
Yes, very common. You'll hear it a lot, at work or with friends.
You can answer simply, yes, I do, or not yet.
Both are correct. No pressure at all. Short answers are okay.
If you want to add more, you can say, I want to visit the beach.
That's a great example. Future tense, but very simple. Easy to remember.
You can also say, I'm planning to travel next month. That sounds natural.
Yes, very natural. Native speakers use that often. It's very friendly.
Some people don't have plans yet, but they have dreams, dream destinations.
Yes, dream places are fun to talk about. No money needed, just imagination.
You can say, I want to go to Japan, or any country you like.
Very simple sentence, very powerful dream, very motivating.
You can also explain why. I love the culture, or I love the food.
Food again. Food always comes back. Vacation and food are best friends.
That's true. Food is a universal language, no translation needed.
Exactly. Smile and good food. Everyone understands that.
When talking about the future, confidence is important. Speak clearly and calmly.
Yes, no need to rush. Your future plans won't run away. Take your time.
You can practice future sentences at home. Say them out loud. That helps a lot.
Practice builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency. Everything connects.
We want to encourage our listeners. You're doing a great job, really.
Yes, learning English takes courage. Speaking takes even more. Be proud of yourself.
Talking about vacation is a great start. It's positive and personal. People enjoy listening.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. You need clear intention.
Mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid of them. They mean you're trying.
Every mistake teaches something. Even native speakers make mistakes, so relax.
We've reached the end of part 3 and the end of our topic. Time goes fast.
Yes, it does. We talked about past, present, and future, all through vacation stories.
We hope you feel more confident now, more relaxed about speaking English, and more motivated.
Use simple sentences, speak slowly, and enjoy the conversation.
Thank you for listening with us today. We really appreciate your time. It means a lot.
Yes, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe Podcast English Talk for more episodes.
We hope to talk with you again soon on another topic.
Until next time, keep practicing your English and keep smiling.
Take care, everyone. Enjoy your future vacations. Goodbye for now.